Changing your business name is a significant step, but it's crucial to ensure you update it correctly with the Internal Revenue Service. Many business owners wonder if they need a new employer identification number, or EIN, when changing their company name. The answer is usually not. Most business name changes don't require a new EIN, but you must inform the IRS of the change. However, if you're restructuring your business, such as changing from a limited liability company to a corporation, you may need to apply for a new EIN. So how do you update your business name with the IRS? The process varies depending on your business structure. For partnerships, you'll use Form 1065. Corporations will use Form 1120, while S corporations use Form 1120S. If you're a sole proprietor, you'll need to send a signed letter to the IRS requesting the change. It's important to note that the IRS does not allow EIN name changes online. All requests must be mailed or submitted with your tax return. This process typically takes 4 to 6 weeks for the IRS to process. Updating your name with the IRS is just one step in the process. You'll also need to notify other agencies and update your business records. This includes your state's business filing office, banking institutions, vendors, and licensing authorities. Don't forget to update your DUNS number if your business has one. Remember to update all your business documents, including your logo, signage, website, and marketing materials. It's crucial to inform your customers and business partners about the name change to maintain brand recognition and avoid confusion. In addition to these steps, consider checking if your new name is available as a trademark and domain name before making the change official. This can help prevent potential legal issues down the line. To summarize, changing your business name with the IRS doesn't usually require a new EIN, but it does require careful attention to detail. Make sure to use the correct forms, notify all relevant agencies, and update your business records and branding. While you can't change your EIN name online, with proper planning and execution, you can ensure a smooth transition to your new business name.